Water. Essential for life. All right, I'm gonna answer a question for you guys that I've gotten plenty of times. 2 questions actually, you know, killing 2 birds with the same stone, aka this video. I got 2 products in the mail today and they're kind of awesome. They're kind of cool. So let's hop into this video. Hey guys, go because you're making more videos again today, guys. We have this awesome product and also a side product to answer both of the questions that I want to answer today. So without further ado, let's get to it. So the 2 questions I receive, you know, many times on the channel, I receive a lot of particular questions, but the 2 that I receive has to do with what type of camera setup I have, and the second one is how do I get Bluetooth in my vehicle without a bunch of wires and stuff like that. You know, a lot of cars still don't have Bluetooth that connects with your cell phone and stuff. I totally understand that. I got you. This video is for you. Like I said, the first question is about my camera setup and all that jazz, what I use. The link to that has always been in the description below. I show you what camera I use, I show you what lens I use, I show you what microphone I use, all of the stuff, you know, what tripod and stuff like that. The link, like I said, is in the description below. It's under my kit and it's in the favorite video recording gear that I have. And to add to that, I've included this Photo Pro UFO 2. It's a awesome mini tripod. Okay, so for you guys who are trying to do, you know, starting YouTube and stuff, and you want a mini tripod that doesn't break the bank but is flexible, you know, I love the flexible tripods. They just flex. I mean, the word says it all. It's flexible. It gets the job done for many different things. There we have it. So real quick, here's the actual tripod right here. I love this tripod because you guys already know I record my videos with a bendy tripod. It's a little bit more expensive than this, but it's a lot heavier at the same time. So I wanted something smaller and bendable and pliable and had amazing reviews and low cost. This definitely fit the picture, guys. I love this thing. I'm gonna be putting my DSLR in here. If you're a beginner, you can use this for definitely your cell phone recording. I mean, I started my YouTube channel by using just my cell phone, iPhone 5. And also it has a GoPro mount, as you can see right here. You just mount it on top of that bad boy and you're good to go. And last but not least, it comes with a nice little button right here, just in case if you want to connect this Bluetooth to your cell phone and have it record with a button. So not bad looking tripod. I love this grip right here. That's what I want to. I want a nice solid grip when I'm recording my videos because this is a $1,000 DSLR camera and I don't want to drop it and break it. So this might do the trick. I love this thing. So definitely not a shabby camera mount. Like I said, links to that are going to be in the description below. You guys who want to know about my camera equipment, there you have it. Links are going to be in the description below. Now let's actually get to the meat and greet of this video. Let's get to this. Now this happens to be a fairly simple product. It's from a company called Wave, and they call it the hands-free and streaming audio kit, aka Bluetooth interface for your vehicle. Now one thing you gotta have if you want one of these bad boys is you gotta have an AUX cord, okay? You gotta have an AUX port already in your vehicle. That makes it a ton easier and also awesome for this device. So let's just, you know, break into this bad boy and open this bad boy up. So it's a fairly simple packaging. Here's the actual device. I'm gonna take it out in a second, but I want to show you. They also comes with some literature, warranty card right here, and also the actual literature right here. Not bad. Let's look at the product itself. Whoa. Okay. I was not expecting, wow, I was not expecting this color. This color looks absolutely nice. I mean, very classy gray metallic color, looking beautiful for your vehicle. Oh, look at that. And it has a magnetic top to it, obviously. That's one thing I like about it. It's magnetic and it goes click straight in to charge the top part. So the thing that makes this completely wireless is that this top part actually has to charge. And that's where the wireless factor comes into play. As you can see, the top part, you know, you unplug it. But when you're ready to go, when you plug it back in into the actual device, it's ready to charge. It's charging, you know, without wires itself. Now this thing does have 2 USB ports on here as well, just in case you want to charge your iPhone and stuff like that. Definitely you can use a 4.8 amps chargers on here. Not bad, not too shabby. And then the actual top part has the EOX port right there and also a button on top to receive phone calls, so you don't have to actually touch your phone or anything like that. So looking cool, looking promising. Let's take it to the vehicle and let's actually plug it in and let's see how it works. Let's get to it. Okay, So I'm in my vehicle right here. I have the product in my hand. This thing is very promising. Little bit of specifications, guys. You can look at all the details, but a little bit of the specifications I'll tell you right now. 10 hours of playtime with this bad boy once it's fully charged, and also a bunch of functions with the actual button up here. I mean, you can play music, you can pause music, you can answer calls, you can skip calls by holding for 2 seconds. It has a microphone on here. There's a built-in microphone on this little guy right here. So if your vehicle had zero functionality in terms of Bluetooth capability, this might be the hero to turn your car from zero Bluetooth functionality. So let me turn this camera around and show you how this actually works. Alrighty guys, first things first, all you have to do is plug this bad boy into the actual socket right here, 12-volt power socket in your vehicle. There you have it. And now the device is actually charging. So it's charging right now. So once it's done charging, just basically unplug this bad boy, plug it into the auxiliary port into your vehicle, and here's my auxiliary port right there, and I'm gonna plug it into there right now. So once it's actually connected, you can turn it on. As you can see, it's already on, and now it's just gonna connect to your Bluetooth on your cell phone. I'm gonna connect it. I'm just gonna click on it right here, my EB. There we have it, and you're absolutely good to go, guys. There you have it. It's already playing. I got some music playing right there, and it is playing, guys. Look at that. It's already playing through here. Let me turn up the volume, and you know it's auxiliary because it actually says auxiliary right there. So playing well. And I'm gonna hit pause right here and show you. There you have it. Stop the music, and I'm gonna hit play. Okay, I'm gonna hit pause on the actual button. There we go, pause, and I'm gonna hit play. There we have it. Look at that. And it literally is that simple to connect your cell phone to your vehicle and make your vehicle Bluetooth compatible to any cell phone pretty much. Really insanely awesome small little device. I'm gonna take it out right here. I'm really liking this, guys. If back in the day, guys, I did not have Bluetooth in my vehicle, and I wish I had this. And many cars don't have Bluetooth, not even older ones, just even newer ones sometimes don't have Bluetooth device compatibility in your vehicle. Bam, you have it. An easy, simple solution, wireless. You don't have to have actual AUX cord going from your phone to your vehicle. You just have this bad boy and you're good to go. Simple enough. And when you're ready to charge the device, it is magnetic. It clicks in place and it's charging your device when you plug it in. Very beautiful, simple design. Has functionality with 2 USB ports on top as well. I mean, this is probably the best I've seen on the market in terms of compact and functionality and wireless and low cost. Like I said, links to everything are going to be in the description below, including this product and also the tripod and also the camera gear and also everything that I have in my vehicle. Everything that you might require is going to be in the description section below this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love this thing. I'm going to be giving this actually to my friend. That's the reason why I bought it. His vehicle is a Lexus, a little bit older version Lexus, and it does not have Bluetooth compatibility, and it's a nice little gift for him, setting him away from the wires. So I absolutely love this thing. I know he will love it, and I know you will love it. Like I said, all the links are going to be in the description section of this video. I know I got to point that out a lot because I get that question asked the most out of any question ever. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. But other than that, guys, KLEANTRIX here saying thanks for watching and peace.